the mass is just sitting outside of the car. Yeah. How did you guess? Not anymore. Quickly, and then we can shut the doors. Quite a few. Hold on. Quick, quick, quick. We must leave. Moving it, and it is going on its own. We may be stuck on the light post. Oh, never mind. They sound Great question. I don't know. No, because you can't open the doors. You can't get in. I'm pretty sure the truck is broken. Unless you can maybe. Oh. Uh-oh, try and put down the seat. Oh, never mind. That worked.
Shit, truck.
No, it is not just you. I'm pretty sure it happened. So, uh-oh. It's inside the light post. So what happened though was I tried to drive the truck, but it was just turning left. So it got stuck on the light post, and after a moment, it kind of just bugged out and flipped on its side. But I'm pretty sure what happened is the body's just compulsively exploded out of the front of the truck. I'm like my M. Jesus Christ. Yes.